Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Infinite Floating Stocks. I'm Venkat, and in this session, I'm going to talk about bear call spread option strategy. Okay, so the name of the strategy says that we need bearish market to implement this strategy. Okay, all right. I'll be giving you few more insights regarding this strategy in next few minutes. Okay, let's start. All right, these are the contents for today's session. I'm going to talk about bear call spread option strategy. What is it? What is the definition? And what are the things that you need to be keeping in the mind when you want to implement the strategy? Okay, I'm going to talk about all those things. And lot many students gonna have which strike prices to choose when you wanted to implement the strategy. Okay, I'm gonna talk about which strike prices to choose and also the risk reward ratio in the strategy. And later on that I'll be talking about break even points and payoff chart. Okay, after that I'll be telling you about when to implement the strategy and entry, exit, and stop loss rules for the strategy. And finally I'll be concluding the session by speaking about a few important points that you need to be keeping in the mind while dealing with bear call spread option strategy. All right, yeah, what is bear call spread option strategy? Simple. Just look at the name, just look at the title. Okay, so don't make it complex. It's very simple. Just look at the name or title of the strategy. What it is saying? It is saying bear call option strategy. Okay, bear, that means we need bearish market to implement the strategy. That's it. Simple. We need bearish market to implement the strategy. Point number one. And point number two is what I wrote, call, bear call. Okay, that means we're gonna deal with only call options, not put options. We're not gonna touch put options. Okay, we're gonna deal with call options only when we are expecting a bearish market. Okay, so let's go down to the definition first. Let's understand it. Then let's talk about strike prices, which strikes to choose, and let's have a look at payoff chart as well. Okay, all right. So this is a definition. The bear call spread option strategy is used. We're going to use this strategy when option trader, that means we, thinks that the price of underlying security or underlying asset will go down, price is moving down. That means bearish market. Okay, so we're going to implement bear call option strategy when we think that the price of underlying security or asset will go down moderately in near term future. Okay, in near future before the nearest expiry. Okay, so bear call spreads can be implemented by buying out of the money call options and selling same number of call options of lower strikes, ATM or ITM. Okay, so to make it simple, you need to be selling at the money call option and buying out of the money call option. Okay, of same underlying asset and of same expiry date. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to explain you with payoff chart as well. Okay, so you just need to sell at the money call option and buy out of the money call option. Okay, so and this strategy is also called as bear call credit spread. Okay, so few people call it as bear call spread and few people call it as bear call credit spread. Okay, so that's the another name for the strategy. And which strikes to choose? Simple. We're gonna sell at the money call option and buy out of the money call option. Let's go. Let's get on to payoff and implement it. Let me select Nifty options, refresh. Okay. Let me select Nifty options, nearest expiry, and what is at the money? 15,000. Okay, 15,000. And we need to sell at the money call option and buy out of the money call option. Out of the money 15,300 and buy out of the money call option. That's it. This is how your chart looks like. Here the risk reward is bad. Okay, so let me adjust what I need to do. Instead of selling at the money, you need to sell in the money call option. Okay, so 15,000 I'll be selling in the money is 4,900 or 14,850. Let me select 14,850. Still risk reward is not very good. 14,800. So let me select 14,700. 14,700, and yeah, look at the risk reward. Yeah, it's better now. Okay. So instead of selecting at the money, instead of selling at the money call option, we need to select slightly in the money call options. Okay. For better risk reward, you can adjust them. Okay. Now look at the profit. It's 24,000, and look at the maximum loss. It's only 20,000. Okay. So this is how the payoff diagram looks like. This is how the payoff chart will look like. Okay. And this is a capital that you need to implement the strategy and hold them overnight till the expiry. And there's a maximum profit that you're going to get, and there's a maximum loss that you're going to face, and there's a break-even point. Okay. And yeah, here the loss is limited, the risk is limited, and the reward is also limited. Okay. So that's a specialty of the strategy. Okay. So let's explore more. Okay. So which strikes to choose? I hope you guys got some idea on how to choose strikes. Okay. You need to be selling at the money call option, or you can slightly go in the money. Okay. You can sell at the money call option or slightly select in the money call option for better risk reward ratio, and buy one out of the money call option against it to make it bear call spread. Okay. All right. So what's risk reward? You already know. Okay. Risk is limited and the reward is also limited. Okay. And risk is limited, reward is limited. Now let's look at payoff chart. The profit became constant here after 14,700. Okay. So if the market is falling below 14,700, then look, your profit has become constant. Okay. So you can exit immediately when you see the maximum profit. Okay. So the profit is limited here and the loss is also limited. Once this for 15,300 is crossed, then your loss will be limited there. Okay. And that's about risk. And there's a formula to calculate risk, which is not necessary to write down or remember. And this is about reward, which is also limited here. This is proper risk and proper reward. I mean, this strategy includes the limited risk and limited reward. Okay. Just like bull call and bull put, bear call and bear put strategies involve limited risk and limited reward. Okay. And to maximize profit, the stock price needs to close below the strike price of lowest striking call. Okay. If you don't understand this, no worries. Let's get on to payoff. What I'm trying to say there is, what I have written there is, for us to be in more profits, we need market to be staying below 14,700. Below 14,700. This is 14,700 point. Okay. So from this point, the line has become constant. Okay. Your profits has become constant. Your profit has reached the maximum level where it can be. Okay. So that's what I have wrote. 14,700 is the lower strike, right? So I want market to be below the lower strike for us, for us to be in more profits, for us to be in maximum profits. Okay, that's what I have written here. Lower striking call sold at expiration. The language is little difficult to read it, but the explanation is very simple. Okay, we just need market to be staying below 14,700, which is lower striking call sold. Okay, for us to be in maximum profits. Okay, and there's a formula to calculate reward and break even points. Simple. Get on to payoff chart, or you can also calculate your break even by using this formula. Okay. All right. And payoff chart for bear call option strategy. You already know payoff chart. This is how the payoff chart looks like. Okay. And when to implement bear call? You can implement bear call spread strategy on any day at any time. That's the advantage of these strategies. Bull call, bull put, bear call, bear put. Okay. Bear put strategy. I'm going to explain about bear put in the next session. Okay. So bear call option strategy and all these strategies, all these 4 strategies, you can implement them at any time on any day. Okay. And the best thing about the strategies is you can implement them and go to sleep happily, because risk is limited and the reward is also limited. Okay, so you're gonna get a glance on how much you're gonna lose and how much you're gonna gain. Okay, so unlike straddles and strangles, there is unlimited risk and unlimited reward. the, I mean, unlimited risk is involved in strangles and short strangle and short straddle. Okay, I mean, there will be some fear when you are in straddles and strangles. If you don't put proper stop loss, you are gone. Okay, you are dead. That can happen. Okay, your entire your capital will be lost. Okay, so when it comes to the strategies, that won't happen because risk is limited and reward is limited. Okay, you just need a view. For bear call, you need bearish view. If your analysis, if your price action analysis says that market gonna come down, then you can implement it and go to sleep. If market goes against you, you're gonna lose only less money, which is limited. Okay, that's a good thing about these strategies. And entry, exit, stop loss, simple. Entry can be at any time on any day, and exit, you need to be exiting when you see the maximum profit. Let's get on to payoff. See, this is the maximum profit. So when you see the maximum profit, you can exit immediately. And coming to stop loss, stop loss, we don't put any stop loss for the strategy because this strategy is no stop loss strategy, because positions are hedged here. Okay, and important points to keep in mind, this is very simple. You just need to understand which strikes to choose. Okay, just sell in the money, slightly in the money, or at the money call, and buy out of the money call option. That's it. Okay, you can adjust them according to your risk reward. Okay, and all right, let me show you again. Okay, let me reset. Let me select Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty options, nearest expiry. What is at the money? At the money is 35,500. Okay, see 35,496. So 35,500 is at the money. I'll be selecting 35,300. Okay, in the money. I'm going slightly in the money. What I should do? I should sell call. I need to sell in the money or at the money. Okay, so I'm selling call and buy out of the money. Okay, I'm buying 35,800. Buy call. Look at the risk reward. Okay, oh, 35,800. Let's select 35,700. 35,700. Okay, and this is 35,200. 35,200 modify. So this is how your risk reward looks like. This is how the risk reward looks like. So you're gonna gain 6,300 and you're gonna lose 6,100. Okay, so this is the payoff chart. This is how the payoff diagram looks like, payoff chart looks like. Okay, so risk is limited and reward is also limited. Okay, so and this is a break-even point, and yeah, this is a maximum. You're gonna gain 6,300, and if your view goes wrong, you're gonna lose 6,000. 1:1. Okay, simple. You need to be selling at the money or slightly in the money call option, and you need to buy out of the money call option. Okay, you can adjust them according to the risk reward. Okay, pretty simple. And always have an eye on payoff chart. Okay, all right guys, if you guys have any question, call me up at any time or you can message us anytime. Okay, me and my team will be very happy and we'll be ready to answer all your questions at any time. Okay, we'll be very happy to clear all your doubts. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you guys liking the strategies and the explanation. Okay, thank you guys, thanks a lot. Thank you everyone. Happy trading.